Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before starting the presentation, allow us to introduce ourselves. My name is Afifah Dwi Kirani. Question will be discussing a journal title about artificial intelligence and quality of composition verdicts in Indonesia. Listen from New Zealand. Judicial system play a crucial role in maintaining the integrity of the law and ensuring justice delivery to all individuals in society. A critical part of the judicial system is the verdicts. Context, judges are responsible for formulating appropriate and fair verdicts that reflect the optimal quality. However, the reality on the ground often reveals striking variance in the quality of verdicts. Fundamentally, the law enforcement principle demands that judges make a correct verdicts per applicable law. The quality of correct verdicts not only provide legal certainty for the parties to the dispute, but maintain the quality of judicial system. To improve the quality of judges' verdicts, the Supreme Court has issued a decree of Chief Justice of the Supreme Court number 359 of 2022 on template and guideline for writing verdicts or decision of the Court of First Instance and appeal at the Fourth Judicial Enforcement under the Supreme Court, which provide guidelines on the composition of court verdicts. Regulation aim to bind judges make a correct composition of verdict script, which include the essential part that must be present in every verdict. By following this arrangement, judges' verdicts are expected to be more transparent, well organized, and easily understood by disputing and the general public. Collection process can be carried out by building artificial intelligence model. With the first stage, a detection pattern with based on KKMA number 359 of 2022. And the second step is to conduct data training using 64 court ruling. In the final step, to test the AI model to analyze 493 verdicts. Referring to decision of the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court and various previous studies, judges' decision that do not follow the provision of the KKMA can significantly impact the validity of law. This can happen because KKMA is an internal regulation regulating procedure and procedure that serve as guide for judges. This research utilized artificial intelligence technology to help analyze the compliance of ruling writing based on KKMA. The advantage of using AI in decision of analysis are expected to impact the efficiency and productivity of analysis, because by using complex algorithm and computation, the analysis process can be carried out simultaneously at one time. Several studies have identified factors the influence of the quality of judgment, both positively and negatively. By referring to this research finding, these studies has a solid foundation to make new contribution to understanding the dynamic of quality of verdicts in Indonesia.
Hello, my name is Nur Salsabila. The research partner, the Judicial Commission of Republic of Indonesia, has an essential role in ensuring the quality of court verdicts toward its studies and vocation in overseeing the behavior of justice and ensuring the explanation of ethical standard and professionalism. The background of the research highlights the urgency of ensure that verdicts reflects the quality expected in the system. The address of the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court number 3059 of 2022 address to regulate and bind the composition of verdicts, but challenge in application of the still reform. Research method uses is normative legal research. This is the research use a legislative approach and a comparative approach. The legal materials used are the Judicial Power Acts, the Supreme Court Acts, the HAR, RBG, dan Civil Code. The KKMA number 359 of 2002 and others allows and regulars result of the judge verdicts and comparative approach. The secondary legal materials uses as number. The legal material in the wording are the object terms are literally review and the result of research. Our activity by the information and the law team. How are the authors of the research to building a article intelligence system with the capability of natural language processing. Verdicts that will be the object of research are the verdicts of judges in civil case in class 1E and class 1E special verdicts that will be the object of research are the verdicts of the judge in class case. In case 1E and class 1E special verdicts courts, namely verdicts of the West Jakarta District Court of Surabaya, District Court of Banjarmasin, District Court of Padang, and District Court of Makassar. In the early stage of building knowledge for all system use Sigforce and training data its discussion training data will be expanded into 20 parts of the civil judge the result of the system. Training are the stages of scraping process in carried of namely talking discretion direct from the Supreme Country direct website to Republic of Indonesia.
My name is Rati. Results and discussion. The courts of the court decision-making process in Indonesia and New Zealand. The process of the trial stage in Indonesia. Registration of the suit by the plaintiff. Mediation. The implementation of initial session. The inquiry stage. The replik-duplik stage. The evidence stage. The conclusion stage. The verdict stage. The process of the trial stage in New Zealand. Registration of the lawsuit by the plaintiff. Submission of claim document by the plaintiff to the defendant for 25 days. If the defendant does not process, a judge will be handed without trial and the case will end. If the defendant defend, then the judicial process continues. Preliminary hearing, proof, pleading and replication, court ruling. The courts stake of the current decision-making process in Indonesia and New Zealand. In Indonesia, the judge renders a verdict in the end of the case, settling the disagreement between the two parties. The decision handed is the whole document referred to as the decision. In New Zealand, the composition of verdict includes the title of identity of the case, the primary fact, the judge, the consideration of assessment of evidence, consideration and conclusion, and the verdict. Artificial intelligence and the judicial system and decision making in New Zealand. The application of AI in New Zealand justice system is realized by accommodating the use of generation AI models such as chatbots, ChatGPT, Bing Chat, Copilot, Google Bard as tools that can help judges, court official, court member, and judicial support staff. The application of AI in New Zealand court demonstration and commitment to modernization and improving the quality of legal services. Thank you.
My name is Reja Anjaya. For lawyers in New Zealand using narrative artificial intelligence, AI such as ChatGPT can open up opportunities and provide significant support in their critical tasks. By leveraging generative AI like ChatGPT, lawyers in New Zealand increase productivity, get legal information faster, and gain sophisticated decision support tools. Generative AI can be a valuable partner for lawyers in the face of the complex dynamics of the modern legal world. Legal decision support with all can serve as a decision support tool for lawyers. The potential impact of artificial intelligence on the quality of verdict in Indonesia. Based on training stack of artificial intelligence for model decision analysis training data was collected for 64 decision from 5 class N1 and class N1 special court at the initial stage. After that, the result of web scraping, extraction, and analysis of the verdict will be obtained using artificial intelligence model and validated by experience and KRI. From 64 rulings, 57 were assessed according to the expert analysis result, and the success rate of intelligence model reached 89%.
Conclusion, the use of artificial intelligence AI in legal decision demonstrates significantly potential to enhance compliance with applicable regulation. Despite finding that many rulings do not fully adhere to existing provisions, AI model contribute significantly to legal analysis by swiftly and accurately processing complex data. AI also reduce operational costs and detects and correct decision-making errors such as typo or misinterpretation. Thus, while AI plays a crucial role in enhancing the efficiency and accuracy of judicial process, the ultimate decision remains the responsibility of judges or court. It is important to ensure that AI is used as a supportive tool rather than replacing the critical role of human in legal decision making. With the right approach, AI use can optimize the judicial system while maintaining the integrity and legal authority vested in judges and courts. Let's bring us to the end. Thank you so much for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.